Getting started, hardware. With a Bechele project, you first have to decide which mechanical construct you want to animate and how many servos and relays you need. As a second step, you have to decide if you want to connect your servos to a directly attached PCA9685 board, or if you want to use a networking PWM node to connect your servos to. For smaller, compact projects, the PCA9685 board may be the better and cheaper choice. For larger projects, with lots of servos and additional relays, you better go for the network PWM nodes, because servos connected to a PCA9685 board need to be close together. If servos are far apart each other, the cable length of the servo cables from the PWM board to the servo, or the I2C cabling in between PWM board and Raspi, let you run easily into limits. Network devices may be much farther away from each other, and also much more servos are possible. Also, the stability of network devices serving lots of servos is more stable. Both PCA9685 and network nodes serve a maximum of 16 servos each. You may connect several PCA9685 PWM devices and also several network devices to the Raspi or network. You may even mix them both if desired. Both PCA9685 and network nodes need a separate power supply for logic and servo power. If you have a powerful 5-volt power supply, you may try to connect both logic and servo supply to the same power supply. But be warned, this may lead to trouble with power interferences to the logic and may introduce instabilities therefore. Once you have connected all wirings, as shown in the diagrams, you are ready to configure and test the software.